Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build WildFly 27 application server source code using Jenkins and Maven 3.8 without using any source code repository like Git or SVN. That is, we are going to build the source code which is available in the local directory. Okay, so now let me go to the source code directory. So here you can see that I already downloaded WildFly 27 source code zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. So I have already logged into the Jenkins. So before we proceed to the building, I am showing the global tool configuration. So I have already integrated JDK 11 and JDK 17 to Jenkins and Maven. I have already integrated my Maven 3.8.7 to the Jenkins. So this is my Maven installation, and let me go to the dashboard now. Before building the project, let me show the settings.xml. So this is my Maven settings.xml. It's pointing to the local repository. So all the jar files and pom files will be installed to the local repository, which I am pointing in settings.xml. So this is my local Maven repository. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download jar files and artifacts. Okay, now back to Jenkins. So I am going to create a new item. So I am giving a name as WildFly 27 and selecting the project name as Maven project. So I am going to create one new Maven project. So new Maven project is created. Now let us configure the project. JDK I am selecting JDK 11 and source code management I am selecting none because I am going to build the source code from local directory without using Git or SVN. I am going to build the source code available in the local directory. That's it. So under build pom.xml and goals and option I am giving clean install. That's it. Goals and option I am giving as clean install. That's it. So rest of the settings I am leaving as it is. Apply, save it. That's it. Now I am going to click the link build now. So this will build the empty project and new directory will be created under workspace folder. So this directory I am copying the path of this directory. Now come back to the source code. Come back to the source code directory. So I am going to extract this WildFly 27 source code zip file to this workspace directory which is created now by Jenkins. So I am extracting the source code to the newly created directory which is under workspace folder. Okay. Yes. So you can see pom.xml, that is root.pom or root pom or parent pom. This is the root pom or parent pom. So make sure that pom.xml should be readable by the Jenkins. Okay. Now back to Jenkins. Once again, I am going to click the link build now. So now what will happen? Jenkins will automatically pick up the root pom.xml. That is, it will automatically pick up the parent pom and it will start building the source code available in the local directory. See here, it was parsing the pom and you can see it pick up all the modules and start executing the goals, clean install. That's it. So WildFly 27 source code is getting built. It automatically pick up the pom.xml available in the directory. So build is successful. So these are the WildFly modules got built successfully. Let me go to the top of the console output. So go to WildFly 27. Left hand side you can see modules. Click the modules. Yes. So these are the modules configured in the pom.xml. So modules and submodules configured in the pom.xml. See, it's showing more than hundreds of modules and submodules are there in WildFly 27 project. So as I told earlier, Jenkins will automatically pick up the pom.xml and start execute the goals. Okay, let us come to workspace directory now. So you can browse the workspace directory for the output or binary. See here, edist target. So on the target directory, you can see that WildFly 27.0.1 final is got built. So you can download as a zip file and copy to separate directory, and you can start the WildFly 27 application server. So this is how we can build WildFly 27 application server locally without using any source code repository like Git or SVN. The project is got built locally, that is from local directory. We have built the project. Make sure that root pom or parent pom.xml is available so that Jenkins will automatically pick up the modules and can get the source code built. So WildFly 27 successfully built using Jenkins.